Hello, viewers. Let me start with a brief introduction to Microsoft Fabric. In most organizations, we might have separate teams, such as data engineers, data scientists, data analysts, data citizens. Data citizens are other employees. We might even have data architects, and so on and so forth. All these different teams work separately and maintain their own data platforms and solutions. Like data engineers, they will maintain their own data platforms and solutions. Likewise, the data scientists, data analysts, and data citizens. It was a challenge to most organizations to galvanize all these services, and it costs so much to put everything in one place. This is where Microsoft Fabric comes in, unifying everything in one place to achieve one purpose. Let's take, for example, if a job is being done in data engineering unit, all the data will be in this one lake. For easy access to consume the data analyst doesn't need to go to data engineering unit to start creating pipelines to copy the data. The data is already existing on the one lake. So all the data analyst needs to do is to use this table here to do his reporting. There's no need to copy the data from one location to another. Likewise, data scientists and other separate teams. If we have everything in one location, it makes it easier to access the data. Microsoft Fabric has made it easier to access data in one location. We have been able to achieve one purpose, and that purpose is one data lake, one data security, one data management, one data discovery, and one data governance. So any data being put in this place or being created in this place is well secured, is well managed, and can be easily discovered by these separate teams. And it's also going to help for easy governance. So these are the advantages of having all the data in one location, courtesy of Microsoft Fabric. When this is achieved, we are hereby minimizing duplications. So the security risk is minimized, and this will also save costs. So you can see what we can achieve using data fabrics. So when you have your data in one location, for easy creation, for easy collaboration, and for easy organization. So this is what Microsoft Fabric is all about. These are the services. We have Power BI, Data Factory, Data Activator, Snaps Data Engineering, Snaps Data Science, Snaps Data Warehouse, and Snaps Real-Time Analytics. Microsoft Fabric is an all-in-one stop shop for data and services. It is all-in-one cloud-based analytics platform created to unify data and services into one umbrella. Microsoft Fabric is a SaaS, software as a service, providing a complete software solutions over the cloud to end users. So when we say something is a SaaS, it means it's an application that provides software solutions over the cloud to end users. And that's exactly what Microsoft Fabric does. Microsoft Fabrics is a blend of new, old, and updated solutions that work together in varying degree of harmony. When we say they are blend of new, old, and updated services, as you can see from here, this is Fabric name. This is former names: Azure Data Factory, Snaps Analytics, Snaps Data Engineering, Azure Snaps Spark Pool, and so on and so forth. So these are the old blend of old and new services. New services such as Data Activator. So it blended both the old and the new services or solutions to make them to work together in varying degrees of harmony. Now, a little brief history of Microsoft Fabric. Microsoft Fabric is an expansion of Power BI. So you can say Microsoft equal to Power BI expansion for other workloads. We know that Power BI has many fantastic integration tools. As you can see from here, this is a Power BI. What Microsoft did was to leverage on Power BI platform by expanding it for other workloads. We have 7 workloads as part of that expansion. We have Data Factory, Data Snaps Analytics, like as I have shown you here earlier on. These are the 7 workloads or services. So these 7 workloads have been retooled and taken to the next level using Microsoft Fabric. So they are no longer what you used to know about. Let's say, for example, more features have been embedded on Azure Snaps Spark 2 to make it Snaps Data Engineering. So more features have been added to these 7 services. So you don't need to provision things. Everything you need is just available in this Microsoft Fabric. So everything is in one platform. So you don't need to provision things and start copying data from one location to another. Now, whether your data is in different cloud like Amazon S3, Microsoft Fabric enables you to connect and analyze data across different clouds. As a data analyst or data scientist, you can pick up a data from S3 bucket to do your analysis in that Microsoft Fabric without even moving it from that S3 bucket, because it has already been connected to Microsoft Fabric. Now we have what we call Microsoft Copilot. Copilot feature is what helps one to get the most out of every service in an easy way. So it's an AI tool that helps you to do your work easier. All you need to do is just to contact or ask the Copilot to direct you on what to do, especially if you are coding and you along the line you need help. This Copilot will assist you to do the coding, do the pipelining, and so on. So it's an amazing AI tool to work with in Microsoft Fabric. This is Microsoft Fabric homepage. These are the features. As a data engineer, if you want to work with Microsoft Fabric, all you need to do is just come over here, click Data Engineering. Is it a pipeline you want to create? You go ahead to create it. Likewise, a data scientist, if you want to work you come over to this place and click on data science and start working. Whichever one you want to work with or the area of services you want to render, all you need to do is to click on it and start working with it. If I click on data engineering, for example, I will see various options: data pipeline, import notebook, use lakehouse. But before you do this, you need to create a workspace. You create a workspace, then you start deploying other services. Now, to get started with Microsoft Fabric, or you want to get familiarized with Microsoft Fabric before you make a purchase, head over to fabric.microsoft.com to log in or sign up. If your organization has a Power BI, congratulations, the Microsoft Fabric is already in that Power BI. All you need to do is just to turn it on. If your organization doesn't have Power BI already, all you need to do is to head over to fabric.microsoft.com to log in or sign up. Once the account is created, you will have a 60 days trial period to try the product before you start making payments. So let me show you how to set up the account. You go to app.fabric.microsoft.com. Once you click this, it will take you to another page. Once you follow the instruction, you'll be able to sign in. Remember, you're not going to use Gmail or Yahoo or any personal account. So you need a corporate account like this to sign in. And once you follow the instruction, it will get you to this page. And this will last for 60 days. The trial account, the trial version. So once that 60 days is over, you start making payments. Once you're able to do this, you just click Get Started, and it will take you to this page. And you start working with the Microsoft Fabric. Now, another way to go about it is by setting a personal account. Remember, once you are setting up here, you are using a corporate account to set it up. Now, if you want to set up Microsoft Fabric account using a private account, all you need to do is just to come over here, type signup.live.com. Under create account, remember you're not going to use Gmail or Yahoo to create the account. Click get a new email address. Type in your username. Create your password. Click next. Put in your name. Click next. Choose your location, your country or region, your date of birth. Click next. Solve this puzzle. Submit. Verification complete. Click continue. Now I've created my Microsoft account. Let me open a new tab. To create a Microsoft Fabric account, I type in create Microsoft Fabric account. So if you see this step-by-step guide to enable Microsoft Fabric, you click on it. Scroll down. Get started with Microsoft Fabric under Microsoft 365 developer account, click here to create one. Under how to sign up for Microsoft 365 developer account, click proceed to, upon creation of this personal account, Microsoft account, proceed to, you click this link, join the Microsoft 365 developer program today. I click join now. I click the newly created account. I fill in this information. I click next. I click personal projects. Click next. I click Power Platform. I'm not a robot. Let me fill in this. I click Save. So my developer account has been created. The next step is to create E5 subscription. If your region is not part of the regions that are eligible to use Microsoft Fabric free accounts, you will see this information. These are the countries that are eligible for the free accounts. So if your country is not part of these countries, you will definitely see this message telling you are not qualified for this. But if your country is part of it, look at the time of writing this blog, Microsoft Fabric is only available in the regions listed below. So if your region is not listed here, you cannot use Microsoft Fabric free account. So that's it. I couldn't go further with this because my country is not eligible to those who can use the free personal account. If your country is part of those who are eligible to use free Microsoft Fabric services for 60 days, you will see this E5 subscription. You click on it, fill in the details, click create. And once it's been created, the username and password, you will see your username and the password you entered while creating the developer account will be used to log in here. You just type in this in on the browser, you will see sign in. You put in that information. Once you put the information, it will take you to this page. The next thing you need to do is to enable Microsoft Fabric. You come over to the settings here, click on this. Under preview, you untick this, enable this. Once you enable this, you are good to go. The Microsoft Fabric screen will appear. Now you begin to explore all the services I earlier stated. That's how to create a free Microsoft Fabric account. So that's it for this video. If this video is useful to you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification button so that you'll be duly notified when videos like this are being released. When you subscribe, you are encouraging me to do more videos. It's a moral booster for me to do more videos. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.